Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see 1Y. This is a studio apartment located on the first floor of our building. Let's go on inside. On your right when you enter is your kitchen with a microwave, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator. Inside your living space, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture. A desk and a desk chair, a dresser, a full-size bed, and a bookshelf. One great feature of this building is the nice high ceilings and a tall bank of windows that gives lots of natural light. Located on the first floor, you actually have a little bit of an obstructed view, but still plenty of light. This apartment is air conditioned and has a heating element. One unique feature of all of our buildings is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. This apartment has one thin but very deep hall closet. Finishing in the bathroom, that hall closet actually lends itself to a nice large extra storage space in the bathroom. Full shower and tub combo, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash, and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of Cityview 1Y. Call us today for availability.